In the latest twist of the ongoing saga, involving Mick Mars and his former bandmates in Motley Crue, some conflicting narratives have emerged about the possibility of reconciliation amidst a legal battle over ownership stakes and financial fairness. Mars, the estranged guitarist of Motley Crue, recently spoke to Odyssey about the potential of reuniting with the band for songwriting, stating, "Now that I'm retired, I'm just me, you know? I mean, if Motley wanted me to write songs with them again, of course I would." This statement comes as a surprise to many given the public war of words and legal disputes that have characterized the relationship between Mars and the band in recent years. The guitarist announced his retirement from touring in October 2022, citing health issues related to ankylosing spondylitis. Initially, it seemed he intended to remain part of the group, but in April 2023, Mars filed a lawsuit against his former bandmates. The lawsuit alleged an attempt to reduce his share in profits from 25% to 5%, a claim vehemently denied by Motley Crue. Mars reflected on his retirement, stating, "This time, after the final tour, I really got a chance to really hardcore buckle down and try to do something that's more new to me, reinventing myself." This sentiment contrasts with the legal battle he is currently embroiled in, fighting for his legacy and ownership of the Motley Crue brand. Mars has been promoting his debut solo album, The Other Side of Mars. On the other side of the dispute, Crue's manager highlighted financial opportunities offered to Mars, noting, "An offer was made to him at 5% and then up to 7.5% to avoid this. What Mick's asking for is an equal share, 25%. But there's a guy named John 5 in the band. Mick resigned from touring and John 5's getting paid. So who's going to pay John 5? None of this makes sense." Mars, however, seems to have a different perspective on the legal battle. He believes his legacy and ownership are under threat, and his lawyer views the court's decision as a victory, signaling acknowledgement of mistreatment by the band. The legal battle between Mick and Motley Crue is set for private arbitration later this year. Mars has recently expressed doubts about ever resolving the situation with his bandmates directly, citing ongoing legal proceedings and the need for lawyers having to be involved. Despite these conflicting narratives, it remains to be seen whether reconciliation is truly on the horizon as the legal battle between Mick Mars and Motley Crue heads for private arbitration later this year. The rock world watches with anticipation to see if a resolution can be reached, or if the contradictions and disputes will continue to define this chapter in the band's history. We will keep you informed, help us grow, and hit like and subscribe. We thank you for watching Rock Buzz.